When your customers come in for new tires, you probably give them an option to choose between original equipment, OE tires, or replacement options. Understanding the key differences and benefits of each can help your shop provide better guidance, in turn increasing customer satisfaction. Let's talk about the benefits of selling OE versus replacement tires and how to help your customers make the right choice. OE tires, those that come on a new vehicle from the factory, and replacement tires each have their own distinct advantages. OE tires are built to bring out and highlight the characteristics of a specific vehicle and optimize its performance. They're not a one-size-fits-all solution. They're engineered through close collaboration between tire and vehicle manufacturers. OE tires often undergo more than 100 different tests to assess everything from maximum speed capabilities and handling to comfort, noise levels, and expected mileage. The result? OE tires are specifically tailored to match the vehicle's design parameters and performance objectives. Using an electric vehicle as an example, OE tires for EVs typically prioritize efficiency and range, which directly addresses one of the primary concerns of EV owners: how far they can travel on a single charge. On the flip side, replacement tires offer customers the opportunity to address specific needs or preferences that they've developed after driving their vehicle for a while. Maybe they want decreased rolling resistance, longer tread wear, or reduced road noise. This is where your replacement recommendations come in handy. Let's go back to that EV example. Replacement tires designed for EVs often prioritize maximizing tread life, but may feature slightly higher rolling resistance, which could slightly reduce the vehicle's range. For many drivers, this trade-off is worth it, and they may be willing to sacrifice a bit of range for tires that last a little longer. When helping customers make the decision between OE or replacement tires, it's important to understand what they're looking for in a tire to get the most out of their vehicle. A customer who's mostly worried about maintaining the precise characteristics and efficiency of their vehicle, for example, are probably better suited to OE tires. However, someone who wants to optimize for tread life or who has specific performance needs, like year-round performance despite weather conditions, might prefer a replacement option. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.